Okay, so today I am going to be attempting to cook a Nutella crepe. So I've been wanting to try this for ages and I actually suck at cooking, so I thought it'd be fun to put in a video because why not? And I was bored and I've got nothing else to do today, so this is what I'm doing. Okay, so firstly I need to look up a recipe on a Nutella crepe. So this is the recipe I'm going to be following. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. I'll link it down below if you want to do this as well with me. Okay, I'm going to go get the ingredients now. Change of plans. We're not going to be using that recipe because it fucking sucks. Let me find another one. So this is the new recipe I'm going to be going with. There it is. You probably can't see it, but you know. So I need 6 tablespoons of unsalted. I don't even fucking have that either. Okay, we're not using that one either because I don't have unsalted butter. Aha! We're using this recipe now. Third one's a charm. Extract, is that the same? Yes. I'll use this. Shit. Salt, milk, egg, butter, vanilla extract, sugar and flour. Also we need Nutella. I just remembered that now. I will get that in a second. Nutella. Oh look, it has my name on it just for me. Probably said wash your hands before you start. I already have. Now this is the part that will make or break you. Oh, and look at that. Done. Okay, so it says I have to whisk. Oh, this is really close. Hang on. It says I have to whisk my egg and my milk in this bowl. That's what I'm gonna do. I really don't like this camera setup. I'm gonna like try and put it in here so you can somewhat see what I'm doing. Okay, that's my ingredient things. I need to mix this. Whisk it all together and then put it in the microwave. Oh my god, look at this. I think I've done something wrong. Oh my god, I'm literally gonna throw up. Ready? Hang on, let me find it. That's, oh my god, that's so gross. No, I don't know why I thought this was a good idea. Obviously I've done something wrong. It's real, oh my god. Oh, that's so fucking gross. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh god. What the fuck even that's the egg yolk, but I literally can't. I don't even know if I want to do this anymore. Oh, that's so yuck. You know what? We're gonna do it anyway. So it says mix my wet ingredients with my dry ones. I know you probably don't even know what's in this, but it's egg, milk, butter, vanilla extract. That's pretty much it. And I'm gonna mix it in with this. So, ah, fuck. Ew! I just got in my fucking gross. This is my dry stuff. This is the wet stuff that I got on my hand, and oh my god, it's so fucking gross. We need to mix this with this. I forgot to mix this, so I'm doing it right now. We need to mix this all together. I'm pretty sure that's what it said. I mean, it doesn't look the best, but you know what? We're not gonna judge on this channel. We're a judgment-free zone. Oh fuck, I don't even know if I'm supposed to be mixing it. Well, I'm assuming I am. Look at my phone case. I've got bloody stuff on it. Oh my gosh, that's gross. Okay. Whisk until it's smooth. You know what? That might be a while. But I'm actually gonna get it whisk because this isn't working. I'll be back. Okay, this is literally the only fucking whisk I found. It's so tiny, so we're gonna use it. Oh, this may take a while. I mean, that's good enough. Did I fucking turn it in on? It's not even hot. Okay. There we go. That's my crepe. Doesn't it look great? Wow. As you can see, it's starting to breathe. So I'm going to try and flip it like you see Gordon Ramsay do or whatever. I don't... Oh my god, it fucking worked! As you can see, I have flipped it over. I think it looks pretty good. I think it's done. I mean, to be honest, I don't really know. So this is what my crepe looks like. Pretty cool, I know. So I'm gonna put the Nutella on it now. So let's do this. Let's bring it down. Let's do it this way. Wow, look at that shot. Perfect. Okay, I can't be bothered grabbing a knife, so I'm just gonna be using a spoon. Come on. We're just gonna put it on like this. I don't really know how they put it on crepes or how normally you do it, but this is how we're gonna do it. Okay, just grab some icing sugar. Oh yeah, look at that. I think that looks great, even though I was supposed to put the Nutella in the middle, I'm pretty sure. I don't really know how crepes work. I'm not a crepe master, but I think that looks fucking good. Okay, this is what my crepe looks like. I mean, pretty cool, other than the fact that I think I put the Nutella in the wrong spot. But we're gonna give it a taste test because, I mean, it looks good. So let's do this. And I don't even know if it's cooked properly. I mean, it looks like it's cooked, but then again, it's like, I don't know if it actually is, and I don't want to die. Ready? It's actually pretty good. Like, I think I put too much flour in, or something in, I don't know. I put too much of something in there. Let's give it another taste test. I mean, it's not what I expected that my crepe was going to turn out like this, but it's not bad in a way. I'm going to rate it a like a 4 out of 10, 5 out of 10. That is it for this cooking video. I hope you enjoyed it. I don't know why you would. This video is pretty crap. I was just honest. I'm honestly bored and I just wanted to try this. I'm gonna say it failed because it doesn't taste good. It tastes really like rubbery, and I made it wrong. So we're gonna say it's a fail at this one. If you want to see me cook more, do more like cooking videos, give it a thumbs up. I'll warn you now, I'm actually really bad at cooking, as you saw in this video. But I will give it a try. Okay, so I rated the Nutella crepe about a 4 out of 10. It tastes really chewy and it's sort of rubbery. I don't like it. I think I made it wrong. I think I put too much flour in, or I don't know. It's just, don't follow the recipe I did, and don't follow what the way I did it, because I'm really bad at cooking. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time in my next video. Okay, bye. Still really awkward at doing outros.